This is a 2007 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Features include a multi-link rear suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, full power accessories, a CD player, a 4-wheel independent suspension, cargo tie-downs, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and roof rails. This Ford has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Andy Mohr Chevrolet is the place to find new Chevrolet cars as well as pre-owned cars in Indianapolis. You can visit our new and pre-owned inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Visit Andy Mohr Chevrolet today at 2712 East Main Street in Plainfield, or see us online at andymohr-chevrolet.com.